So I am going to ask to ChatGPT what is aerospace engineering. So what is aerospace engineering? And now let's see what is the answer given by ChatGPT. So aerospace engineering is the branch of engineering that deals with the design, development, construction, testing and maintenance of aircraft, spacecraft and their systems. Aerospace engineering works on the design and development of the new technology in the aerospace field, such as aircraft, spacecraft, satellite and missiles. You can see they may also be involved in the testing and maintenance of the existing aerospace system. Aerospace engineering is the highly interdisciplinary field that combines principles of mechanical, electrical and material engineering with the knowledge of aerodynamics, propulsion and control systems. Aerospace engineers may work in a variety of setting, including government agencies, military organizations and private companies in the aerospace industry. This is really interesting.